Tips and tricks for taking the MAP test. So you're going to take the MAP test, huh? I bet you're really excited. Well, you should be. The MAP test is a time for you to show off what you know. Let me give you a few tips and tricks to help you do your best on the big day. What is wrong with the following scenario?
3 Smarties for breakfast.
If you said not eating a nutritious breakfast, you're right. Being hungry makes it harder to think, and a balanced breakfast helps you focus. Take a look at this. Do you think she's going to do well on the test? Probably not. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for doing your best on the test. Let's look at another situation.
Okay, you may begin.
These boys may think they finished first, but rushing on the test makes you finish last. There's no prize for speediness. Take your time and do your best. This one's tricky. Let's watch. Did you catch what went wrong? You're right, she didn't check her work. It's easy to skip questions or pages and easy to make a mistake. There are no second chances on the test. Double check every answer on every page. Well, look at this charming young fellow. He looks ready to succeed on the test. Wait, what's this? Big pencil? You can only use test materials given to you by the teacher. That means no mechanical pencils, no pens, and definitely no markers, highlighters, or crayons. And now, what to do when you don't know what to do? How about her?
Yeah, don't like that. No, that's too hard. Don't like you.
How about this? Is this what you should
I
do?
hate math testing. I think it's going to be too hard. I'm not even going to try.
If you want to be advanced or proficient, don't follow their example. If you do get stuck on the test, don't lose your cool. Reread the directions. Cross out incorrect choices. Look back at the passage. And never leave a question blank. And finally, the #1 key to success: believe in yourself. You've worked hard all school year. You can do it. Got it? Great. Good luck and have a great week.